Hey guys, good morning. Hobby is taking Jasmine to school. They just left, and we are going to our new house. We are going to the school close by because we already filled the form they gave us for Jasmine. The form, everything is inside there. We filled everything, and we are going to this school to submit it because we'll be packing this month, and let's say latest 2 weeks. So we are doing countdown already. So we'll start packing. Everything is already ready. The house is ready. It's already empty now. They've packed out everything they are supposed to pack out. So everything is set just for us to go and wash it and start packing. So we are still organizing on how we are going to pack because the place is far from here. Yeah, it's very far from here. So using our car to pack will not be a nice idea, although we can still use our car to pack some things, but we are still going to pay for those people that normally help pack, like those van. So we are trying to organize that and organize with the furniture people we bought furniture from, the company, tell them the dates they are going to bring in the furniture so that everything will be coming together nicely. Although you guys, sometimes I don't even know what we've bought and what we've not bought because we are just buying from everywhere and anywhere. Online and offline. Anyways, that's what we are doing today. Bless you. Bless you. Daya, Hobby's coming, so we're on our way. We have to do this very, very fast so that Obi can be able to come back and go to work. No rest for him to do. No rest. No rest. No rest. Hi, cutie.
Hi.
Say good morning now. Say good morning.
Morning.
We'll sue you. I will cut you off. Anyways, see you guys later. Let me put on my seatbelt. Hey guys, we came back from the school. We did everything, signed all the papers we are supposed to sign. They used to normally ask for vaccine that the child took while she was born till 1 year or so, because Jasmine have not taken the 6 years old vaccine. So that one they will ask you to photocopy it, but they didn't really collect it. They only just tick it. And anyways, that's that for that. Obi came back. He couldn't even rest. Like I said earlier, he's not going to rest. So he has gone to work. And now I want to arrange this room. You guys remember Diana's bed? Diana is not even sleeping on the bed. So there's no need for the bed to be here again. So the fact that we are going to start packing soon, I'm just trying to sort out some things. And I want to remove this bed from here and probably throw it away, but obviously I should not throw it away because Diana did not really use this bed. Even Jasmine bought it during Jasmine's time, and Jasmine didn't really use it. But I'm not in for any baby right now, so this bed, if I see anybody to gift it, so I will. If not, I will trash it. Obviously I should put it on Facebook Market. Maybe I will do that. I'll just put it on, give it out, because I don't want to throw this bed away. Honestly, I do not want to. But let me show you guys what it's looking like. So this is what it's currently looking like. It's dirty. It needs cleaning. I removed some of the stuff that is underneath, and I just broke this like this. You can stand it, you can't. So I'm about to remove it. You guys see what we are dealing with. Thank God we are leaving soon. See, can you see this humidity? Obi was the one that sprayed that part that is looking very white, and I sprayed here a few days ago. And see, let me go closer. It's coming out again. The mold in this house is crazy. Can you guys see this? I just sprayed this a few days ago, and now it's coming out again. So Obi said he's not going to treat this place now since we are leaving. He was the one that treated here. You can see the difference. See, look at. Can you see how terrible the mold is? Thank God we are leaving. This is a big issue. We treated it last year before we brought Diana home from the hospital. We painted everywhere. But take a look. See? It's very, 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 very bad. So we are not treating it. And a few days ago, we also saw water from this place. Although now it's dried and there was some water on the floor. Yesterday, my neighbor pressed the bell and said, water is leaking from our apartment to the apartment. So I will use the same landlady. Obi said she should call the landlady, of which she did. And today now, the landlady said they are going to come here and check how to repair it. But that's none of our business because we have just few days here. Today is 9 and we'll be packing out from 23rd. So we have just like 2 weeks to leave this place. So now then come Sabi. Anyways, let me get to work.
All these memories make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find.
Yes, it was quite a struggle to dismantle it. So I just like did my best and this is all I could do. The bed has 2 mattresses, so that's what you're seeing over there. So I just kept them here like this. When we come tomorrow, we will figure it out and put it in its bag. This is the bag. The bag is here. So this need to get more slimmer so it can fit into the bag. This is all I could do. At least there's enough space here to walk around. I'm about to go pick Jasmine up from school. So this is few days later after I spoke to you guys and we were leaving our current house to the new house. Just watch the switch. This is the new city. You guys look at the beach. Look at how cute. I can't really wait for summer to rock this place. Anyways, we got to the house and we needed to take measurements for the kitchen. You guys remember the last time I did tour for you guys? This kitchen has a lot of cabinets, those old cabinets, and like I said, we are going to throw everything away, of which they have removed everything in the kitchen. So those wooden things you are seeing on the wall, we are going to paint them to white because I don't like this brown old looking stuff. I really do not fancy it. So many Italians use this, but you see me, I don't like it for anything. So the kitchen is already empty and work is still going on. Although when they called us or when we called them, they said they were done packing everything from the house. The house is ready. And I mentioned earlier in the first clip, but on getting to this place, not everywhere in the house was empty. They were still load properties, furnitures in some rooms, of which they were still going to remove. And when we got there, they were working. So like they said different things to us and different thing was going on in the house. Anyways, notwithstanding, we took measurements because that was why we came, because we want to round up the furnitures we are buying and get the exact um measurements. Because when we went to that first shopping you guys saw, we bought like mattress and a few things, but we didn't buy everything. We just like look around and see what they have and choose colors of what we are going to buy, but we didn't make purchase of everything. So this particular time we needed to take accurate measurement to not make mistakes. So Obi came with a tape to take the measurement. So let me just let you guys enjoy the
Everywhere is
clips.
opened.
Come check this place. That's my room.
But they said it's better. Did they leave all this one? Look to where we see to the head here. And head. This side.
No, 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 yeah, this window. Or this side.
That's what I'm asking. This side.
If you put them anywhere, if you put
No,
them face that
yes.
side.
Because of the middle.
Yeah, they're not changed.
Because of this one. So we cannot change. So 130. Go to them.
This one is 130.
No, it's close to the wall. Or put it like this. You don't understand. You come this side so that we can create So this is going to be Jasmine's room, and hubby said he wants to change Jasmine's bed because Jasmine has been saying that her bed need changes, and hubby said he wants to buy her a bigger bed, like those bed that can contain two people. So yeah, this is going to be our own room, and you guys, first thing first, we had to check the wardrobe and choose which compartments we are going to take. So this one at the right side is the bigger it's a bigger part of the wardrobe. So I choose it because me, I have a lot of things, and the other part is for hobby. Like we just choose it. So I was trying to check if his own was better than my own or mine was better. So I would choose which one has a larger compartment because I have a lot of things, like a lot of clothes. You know, now I have hair, I have shoes, I have clothes. In fact, my shoe will not be there, but I just needed the bigger space so that I can spread out my things. Although this wardrobe is smaller than the one we have in our previous home. That one was very, very, very big. In fact, the only thing I'm going to miss in the house is that wardrobe because it's very large. But this one is smaller, so we will need extra stuff. You guys, my village people won. I didn't know that that thing was on the floor because I was really tired. Before we came here, I was busy at home, so I was not really looking at the floor. I was looking at the top, like things that we were here for. That was what I was just concentrated on. I was not looking at where I was going, and my village people almost for me, but God passed them. Anyways, we are taking measurements for the sofa because I don't want the sofa to occupy everywhere. We saw different type of sofa the day we went, and they have different measurements. So I took the measurements, I snapped the measurement of the sofas. So we are going to measure each um sofa we saw the measurement here, and the one that is larger, I'm going to drop it. I need like a very comfortable sofa that is not so big because I want to put something else at the entrance of You
the
don't
house. So
understand. With
I don't want
cutting, I
sofa to
bought
just
cutting,
cover
so I wanted to know.
I will see for
Not be later, we see. Just review it
No,
now.
no, we'll not cover it.
We will not cover
Let
it.
come to here. Finish. No.
Why?
No, we don't need to cover it. We don't need to cover it. Don't need to.
No, are you sure?
No, we don't need to cover it. Not very cover.
It would have been beautiful to cover it.
No, no, we don't need to cover it.
Like, put cutting here. We have put cutting there. We can hold the cutting like this. Then the white one will be like this.
Okay. Let's see.
Then that place for bar, should it be here? This place for the bar, like here. This spot here. Then I think it will be only two chairs. Only two chairs. We are done taking the measurements, and
Yeah.
on Monday, which is next tomorrow, we are going to round up the shopping of stuff we are buying. We've taken the right measurements. Let's go. So you guys, today I'm going to wash this chair. It's very dirty. You guys can see. Yes, I normally cover it with a chair cover. So once in a while, I do thorough wash, thorough cleaning. So we are not going to carry this chair because it has disadvantage. The disadvantage is it doesn't have hand, but it has like a resting pillows, which are there because I want to wash it. So we are going to either leave it here or gift it out. So before then, I need to like do a thorough clean up before I gift out or leave this chair here. So That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to be using this towel so that I can be able to soak out the water from the chair to dry it. If not, if you wash it and you did not properly remove the water, if it's dry with it, it's going to remain dirty. So here I have some what's it called, bleach and soap for washing plates. Yes, that's what is inside here. It does the job really, really nicely. So I'm just going to wash like this. See, as I'm washing, I'm still seeing that it's still dirty. So this place needs thorough wash. You guys, I would have been able to escape this part of the stress, but I said this chair is still good, although we bought it in 2020, but it's still very good, just that it's dirty. So I will need to wash it and give it out or leave it here. That's why I'm doing this. I don't want to throw it away. When you have kids, you know, they will stress you so much. When we don't have kids, this chair don't used to be this dirty. But since Jasmine and Diana came in, it's looking messy. As I'm washing, I will use cloth to be drying it. You can see all the dirt. Can you see the dirt? So this is how I wash this chair. After washing it, I will show you guys the aftermath. You will see how it will be looking all clean. Let me wash it. What is worth doing is worth doing well. The chair I cleaned yesterday, look at Diana or Jasmine. I don't know who stained this place. The chair is still very wet, so it can easily carry dirt. Those places you are seeing is still very, very wet. Until it fully dry, it will be looking dull, as though it's still dirty, but it's no longer dirty. It's clean. So these ones you are seeing, they are all water. They need to dry. If you touch that place, you see that it's still soaked. I think I did not dry it properly with the towel, so it will take a few days to finally dry up, then to be looking sparkling clean. So we are still in cold weather. There is no sun. The weather is very dull. There is no sun. If not, if it's summer, it would have dried a long time ago. So now it's still very wet. This place especially, see close look, it's still very wet. It took a lot of time to wash this chair yesterday. See, it's still wet. If you check the before and the after, I did a very good job.
Thank you for watching.